All right, guys. So today we're going to do my curly hair routine by Camille Rose. As you can see here, I'm just rinsing out my dirty ass hair. Okay, I had braids and all kinds of ponytails, so I had hella jam. And I start using the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. As you can see, it smells so good. Look, I apply my shit right. I can't curse. Hold on, excuse me. I apply the shampoo right to my head like, As you can see, I'm really scrubbing my head, making sure I get the dirt out of there. Like, oh my God, it feels so good. Oof. Look at it in slow-mo. Hold on, check it out. No. All right, so then I'm just going to rinse this out. Now, I make sure I wash my hair 3 times with the Sweet Cleansing Ginger Rinse. So it's very important. I try to get all the dirt out. And then I follow up with the Conditioning Cleanser. Now, I just rub this through my hair. I rinsed out most of the water like I always do. And I just rub this through my hair and take a big comb and comb out all the gnats and stuff. Because, yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Combing. You're going to start to see the curls form like these. Ooh. I got a little Cat Williams, little cut, whatever. My bob is growing out, so it's giving a little Cat Williams. But it's fire. Like, hold on. Check out these curls. Look, they starting to come in. Check that out. Now, excuse my nails. I didn't get my nails done. Harmony was out of town. So, yeah, my nail lady. That's the only girl I let do my nails for real. So, yeah, excuse my nails. But I'm going to just rinse this out. You could just see, like, how soft and silky it looks already. And you can see the curls coming in. Girl, these products, I'm telling you. Now, I do a deep conditioner with the fresh honey nectar. You let it sit for 15 minutes and just get into the slow-mo real quick. Hold on. Now, yes, 15 minutes. So, meaning this shower should be at least like 25 minutes long. Hopefully, you don't run out of hot water. If you do, girl, you better finish with a cold because you know cold is actually good for the pores, the scalp. So, cold or hot, 30-minute. 25-minute shower is what this hair routine consists of. Look at that. You can even see the curls coming. Now, my hair is not that long, but it's growing. I'm trying to get it to grow. And using these products, it actually has been growing. So, hit my duck. Ooh, hold on. Check me out with the little Jerry's. Now, Neek told me these is like a little Jerry curl or whatever, but I had to get sexy on her one time because, you know what I'm saying, I'm not going to let these bitches play with me. Talk about Jerry curl. Hold on. This ain't no Jerry curl, baby. These the Coi Leys. Then I take the curl maker. I just add a little bit through my fingertips. And I take a cotton. You can use a t-shirt. I use a cotton pillowcase. Some grow back oil. It's actually not oil. The grow back is not oil at all. Look at these curls. Now, the grow back is good for alopecia and hair loss. So, I recommend anyone that is dealing with that should definitely go get it. But yeah, look at these curls. Like, oh my God. So, yes, guys, that is all. That is my curly hair routine. Make sure you go and cop these products. I swear, they're so good. It's great for all hair types. And, yeah, you can go cop it at your local Target because that's where I got mine. Period. And I'm out of here.